Okay, so I'm going to be taking a look inside of our furnace because the fan runs and we can circulate air through the house, but the blower for the exhaust won't spin and the furnace won't run, it won't ignite. And if we take a look at this, you see that this right away, you can tell this has got a bent fin or something on the inside, so it'll spin around to there. Let's make that sort of top dead, and you can push through it, then it stops again. And I think a piece of foam came down from the roofers down into here, foam or wood or something, and bent a fan blade on the inside, because we've never had this happen before. And I think that these pressure check valves are fine, because if you pull this off, this hose, you can breathe into it. And when I breathe into this, push or pull just a little bit, you hear these check valves clicking just fine. So I'll leave this disconnected for now, because we're gonna end up taking this off. So let's do that now. Part of the motor. Okay, so that's off. Put that in my jar. Okay, out comes that. Now, can the shaft be separated? No. It's not going anywhere. Okay, well, that's not the end of the road. Let's see about if this will come off with a 1/4 inch, or what are these? I'm probably gonna have to take this shroud off. It looks like I can take this off connected. There's sort of an interference up here. See if I could get this one apart first. Might have to do that. Let's just do it now. So that's up here. Let's just get him out of the way. Okay, so that's out of the way now. Let me get access to this one better. Yeah. And what do you know? What do you know? That is roofing foam. And there's a ton of it in there. Pieces of it jammed in there. So let's go outside and dump this out. See what we get. Hey. No, you go. There we go. Got foam in there. See if I can get that out with a piece of roof that's fallen off from the roofers. Okay, so a couple more pieces came out. So let's see now. Sounds like we've broken it free. And should be able to run the furnace now without any obstructions. So and yeah, didn't want that to happen, but luckily it's right there. So let's get that. Sorry, I'm not going to be able to hold the camera and do all this at the same time. I'm going to have to put the camera back on the wall. Oh, there you go. The camera's doing what in rock climbing what we call a hand jam. Okay. Okay. Ay, ay, ay. Cancel. I know what I did wrong. Done. I forgot to plug in something, so now I have to undo that. There we go. Let's see if we can do it without closing up that stupid panel. Like I said, I don't see any switches on this top panel. There's definitely a switch right there for the bottom panel. I don't see one here. It would be crazy. We might be able to see fire if this works. Okay, that's spinning. Business. Furnace is fixed. And that's fixing furnaces with Rob Roberts. The first time for everything. See you next time.